Replace the toner cartridge in HP LaserJet MFP E82500 series printers when the toner is low or empty. Open the front door to access the toner cartridges. Rotate the blue handle clockwise to unlatch the cartridge. Slide the cartridge out of the printer to expose the handle. Use the handle to remove the cartridge from the printer. Recycle your used toner cartridges. For more information on recycling empty toner cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Place the new cartridge on a flat surface with the contacts facing down. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and rotate it until the contacts are facing up. Pull the red tape to remove it from the cartridge. Hold the new cartridge horizontally and shake it from side to side 6 times to evenly distribute the toner. Holding the cartridge by the handle, slide it into its slot in the printer. Rotate the blue handle counterclockwise to lock the cartridge. Close the front door and resume printing.